Is there a lamer way to die than this?
Please keep your voice down while in the library. I find your face is rather noisy.
His face? That's not reasonable at all!
Dans ces douces souffrances dont j'ai payé toutes les offenses. Écoute comment mon cœur est immense. Je suis un enfant du monde.
Tayo, what was that?
The book blew up all of a sudden!
Just get out of there, before she can find you! Mei-chan's coming from corridor A12. You have 6.5 seconds. At that volume, the mandatory penalty level is gonna be instant death. Mei-chan will go for your lungs and upper torso. Meaning? Drop to the floor!
I see the memories of the dead are being violated.